you're still out there, darling, clinging on to the wrong idea, but I never regret anything I've done. Remember when you were young, you lose yourself in the morning, you know you won't remember a thing.
Oh yeah?
Let's go! Yeehaw! Morning, you know it's gonna be alright. In the morning, you know we won't remember a thing. In the morning, you know it's gonna be alright. 3 times the bumper. Where we're heading, mate?
On our way down, Guildford. I'll start storage for WRS Limited. The fourth club I'm going, and the last.
Good, well played, young man. So, what are we doing when we get there?
We've got a whole van load full of rubbish, in my opinion. But I want to throw it off that side. But yesterday when we went down there, we actually put up the down and everything else. So basically, what we're going to do is get there, hit blood fans, get everything on the down, turn around and come back. But I think we're going to have some trouble getting back tonight with the traffic.
Well, that's enough for one, mate.
So yeah, we're on a mission in London, out towards fucking Guildford, he says. I'm just a co-driver, so you know what I mean? Pack some boxes, get some Burger King.
Fair play, eh?
You know what I mean, mate?
Yes, man, you gonna do it this time? Are you really 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 gonna do it? Here we go. Are you really gonna do it? Here we go. Are you really gonna do it this time? Are you really gonna do it this time? Are you really gonna do it? Here we go. Are you really gonna do it this time? Camera, brother. Remember a thing.
Lekker Burger King, Thomas.
Dirk.
Good.
It's correct.
That's correct.
Fucking lank trucks, bro. Dirk. Lekker. Who needs the heaven up above? Who needs the clouds in the sky? Not I. Somebody to feel your pain. Who needs the disappointment for the telephone call? Not I. No, I don't need that at all. Not I.
Relax.
Correct. Child of love. Yeah. Sick of love. I'm taking more than enough. The secret hour, the fading light. Who needs the morning and the joy it brings me pain? I've got my mind on other things, not I. Who needs joy? Who needs the perfect little boy? Not I. Joy, the perfect me, not I. Just 'cause they always disappear, not I.